Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Revel Dinata, NIM 2301411508. Saya dari kelas PGSD 6A. Di sini saya akan membacakan cerita yang berjudul Snow White. Cerita ini mengisahkan tentang seorang putri salju yang memiliki seorang ibu tiri yang ibu tirinya tidak ingin putri salju mengalahkan kecantikannya. Princess Snow White, skin like snow, had a sped mom. Long ago, every night this queen would call to her mirror on the wall. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? The mirror says, I speak true, fairest of them all is you. Snow White grows up fair and keen. One day, Queenie spake her mind. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the fairest of them all? The mirror says, I speak right, fairest of them all, Snow White. Queenie's heart goes cold as water. She sends a man to kill her daughter. He takes Snow White to be good, but lets her go. His heart is good. In the woods she finds small hole, a house for someone not very tall. She calls hello, then knocks at the door, but no one's home shall I explore. Hello, stay, stay, tired, she falls asleep in a chair. 7 dogs come in, who's that there? She tells her story and they say, right, stay in small hall if you like. Back at crowd, a week goes by. Queenie gives her normal cry. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? The mirror says, you are all right. Alternatively, there's Snow White. Queenie bowed and Queenie rose, still alive. Well, this man's where? She can't see a spill and then, surprise, she is small and odd, a great disgrace, grabs her cloak and swirl, and more, a rosy apple with poisonous core, finds small hell, and there's Snow White. Try my apple, take a bit. She snores with glee as Snow White falls. No, I'm the fairest of them all. When the adults come home, they found Snow White lying on the ground. How they cry! They all adopt her. They built a coffin and in it stored her. Back at crowd, the queen transforms and takes again her usual form. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? The mirror says, you are fairest of fair, Snow White's gone. What more do I care? A prince rides by and sees Snow White. She must be mine. Is love a fine sight? They lift the coven, then they stumble, and out of her mouth the apple tumbles. A yawn, a stake, she leave her head, she reborn, Snow White not dead. Meanwhile, Queenie has a talk. She asks the mirror to report. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? The mirror says, Q apples is Snow White. She shoot, she crows. The queen goes mad. She turns all red. Her hair falls out. She drops down dead. The prince escaped Snow White for her hand, and all the dogs a song they sang. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? The mirror said, I speak right, fairest of all is forever Snow White. Nah, itu saja cerita yang saya bacakan tentang Snow White. Saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.